If you want to speak fluent English but feel stuck, I'm here to help. My name's Kevin, and I'm here to help you get out of English intermediate purgatory. If you've studied English for months or years but still aren't happy with your progress, chances are the problem is how you study. The techniques you use to move from a beginner to an intermediate level aren't the same ones that will help you reach advanced fluency. You need to change your routine to include more active practice. The Deliberate English online course will help you do just that. As a preview, I'm launching a mini course that will help you learn how to use words like would, could, and should like a native English speaker. In the mini course, you'll learn the most common ways that native speakers use modal verbs. You'll get an easy to remember framework that can help you study for exams. And, of course, they're full of interactive exercises to challenge yourself actively. The mini course is specifically for deliberateenglish.com subscribers. So if you want access, go to deliberateenglish.com/modals to sign up for free. There's a link in the description below. If you want to get out of English intermediate purgatory, now's your chance to take the first step. We'll see you there.